This is refilling method of LMI 1026C. Used for lexmark 10N0026 and Dell T0530 cartridges. Slide the cartridge with part A first, horizontally into the refill clip along the dual lines inside, and push the cartridge all the way to be completely seated into the refill clip. Remove the protection cap from the supplied gimlet. As shown in the figure, place the refill clip on some sheets of soft tissue, with its guiding hole facing upward. Pass the supplied gimlet through the guiding hole and turn it clockwise until you hear click from the top of the cartridge. Then remove the gimlet from the guiding hole. Remove the cartridge from the refill clip. Screw the gimlet into the hole created in part A of the cartridge, and then lift the cover to separate it completely from the cartridge as shown in the figures. Mount the enclosed rubber pad onto the refill clip as shown in the figures, ensuring it is completely seated. Insert the nozzle part of the cartridge into the refill clip and push the top of the cartridge all the way in until you hear it clicking into place. Pierce the ink injection syringe into the rubber plug at the center of the ink container cap. Do not open the ink container cap. Keeping the ink container upside down, fill the syringe with 2.5 milliliters of ink by pulling back its piston slowly for about 15 seconds. And then pull out the ink injection syringe from the ink container. Insert the injection needle deep into the ink injection inlet of the color indicated in the figure, with the needle directed toward the nozzle. Pull up the injection needle about 5 millimeters backward, and then slowly inject 2.5 milliliters of ink into the cartridge for about 20 seconds. And then remove the syringe. Connect the supplied suction syringe to the rubber hole on the bottom of the refill clip and slowly suck out about 0.5 milliliters of ink. Then remove the syringe. Remove the cartridge from the refill clip and clean the excessive ink around the nozzle, dabbing the nozzle part of the cartridge on some sheets of soft tissue. Reseal the cartridge over with the supply tape. Install it in the printer, and then run the nozzle cleaning process before use.